Huge week here on site. I'm hanging out and starting our tour at Jimmy's, one of Jimmy's dump trucks, because they're doing a whole bunch of loading out of stuff, some scaffolding they don't need anymore. Here it is, lots happening in the site. Ceilings closing up in our community room, getting ready, making room, cleaning this place out, making room to build the main stage. Woo, you know, that's one of my favorite places. So this week, it's been all about finishing up some of the wiring. We put in Ethernet in every studio, so we'll have lightning fast internet. We've also been working on all the HVAC for that fresh air, heat, and cooling system, and then the final touches on all the fire safety. Other thing that happened is, I want to show you this on the HVAC because it's really fun. Let's take a look if we can see it. Whoa, what is that? That's what it's called, soundproofing within the HVAC. So when the music goes up there, it gets deadened as it moves through the venting, because we don't want sound to go from classroom to classroom. The big thing has been closing up all of the classrooms. Here you can see one that's happening right now. We still got some ceiling work to do because that's some HVAC work that's still happening. You see in the corner, but take a look at this. The final wrapping of that dense vinyl that just makes it so quiet in here. You have dense vinyl on the outside, you have 2 layers of sheetrock, then you have another 2 layers of sheetrock and dense vinyl on the inside of this drum studio. Man, it's gonna be super soundproof. See that opening above the Rock Right Record studio? That's a mezzanine for us. So for some of the faculty and staff, we're gonna have an opportunity to go up a little captain's ladder there and have a little spot there, a lounge, be able to do some work there, a couple of desks, maybe some bean bags, places that we can just check out. Yeah, there's no teens allowed up there, so don't get that any idea. Finally, as we look down our private lesson hallway, you can see the piano studio on the way back. And right here, the very last thing that's gonna go in are the pods rather. And you can see all that electrical and the Ethernet and everything hanging there for those 3 pods that we have over at 540 President. So that's gonna be one of the very last things that go in. So anyways, amazing week, lots happening. You've got to believe every week Jimmy and the crew are making headway.